How to clean a shark vacuum cleaner bin. This one was not only dirty, but it smelled awful too. I was feeling a bit lazy, so I thought I'd see if the dishwasher would clean it. It didn't do a very good job though. Smelly dust was still in the hard to reach places. So here is how to do it the manual method way. Spray with multi-purpose cleaner and get a small brush. A paintbrush or toothbrush would work fine. Get into all the cracks. I also try and spray under this mesh filter and also through it to try and get all the dirt. After a final going over with the brush, it is time to rinse. I try not to get too much water around the top lid. Concentrate on the clear part. Today I'm using the garden hose to rinse the bin. You can do this indoors with a normal tap or shower if you wish. Now this is looking a lot better than it was before, but whatever you do, don't leave the bin to dry in direct sunlight. It can damage the clear part. Instead, just dry with a cloth, then leave to dry for 24 hours in a warm, dry place, either outside in the shade or indoors, and the next day you can put it back on your vacuum and use as normal.